Yes, hello everyone. Welcome back again to this tutorial and welcome back again to this video. So welcome also to Now Max TV. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make money online using ChatGPT. So as part of an artificial intelligence which is keeping advancing, so there are various opportunities that you can be using to get money by using this part of artificial intelligence, and this is the reason why today I'm going to show you one of the artificial intelligence which is trending nowadays, which is chat GPT, and how you can use it to be making money. First of all, if you don't have account to chat GPT, so what you need to do, you need to come into your browser and find out chat GPT. So if you type chat GPT now, you can get information about this artificial intelligence, and as you can see, uh, you go to it's a platform where you get various information. And as you can see here, I have ChatGPT, which is an artificial intelligence chatbot developed by OpenAI and launched in November 2022. It is built on top of OpenAI's GPT-3 family or large language models, and has been also fine-tuned using both supervised and reinforcement learning techniques. So as you can see now, this ChatGPT, you can click here if you want to start using this. And when you click there, you go to the blog, which is ChatGPT, and you can get various informations about it. You can see how it works, you can see products, and you can see also various informations. So now, as we want also to sign up, if you want, you write here ChatGPT, sign up. Now you see login. Now you can see sign up. Yes, you can click on this link, and if you click on this link, you're going to be directed to information that can help you to sign up to ChatGPT. Now you can go to login, because I'm logging into my ChatGPT. If I click here, I'm going to log in it, but because I don't have account, I have to sign up here. If you don't have account, you need to sign up here so that you can be now starting using this chat GPT. So now I have an account, and after also having created the account, you come back and log in with your credentials. As I have an account, I don't have to log in again, but also let me go to this part. I logged into this artificial intelligence ChatGPT. Now let's start now seeing how you can be using this ChatGPT to make money. So if you do not subscribe to this channel Nomax TV, subscribe today. Also like this video and share this video to your friends so that they can benefit from this video and benefit from how they can benefit from using ChatGPT. So remember to turn on the notification bell button so that you always get notified when we upload a new video here at Max TV. So now let's get started. Suppose that now you are a blogger. You used to write many articles. Maybe you are also now social media, it may be social media manager or marketer. So if you do work of social media marketing and management, also you may be wanting to make posts, and you need to make some keywords that can be helping you to generate more niche or audience, which is best when you want to be making money from the audience. So here, if you are a blogger, you will need to write articles. You will need also to have the trending keywords or related to, you will need to have the keywords related to your post. You will need also to know about what are the popular keywords related to your posts. Sometimes you may be having to write about the post, and you see that it is difficult to know which keyword is related to your post. And after knowing this, also you're going to be now creating, also attracting the niche into your platform. So as now social media marketer or manager, you can be wanting also to create, for example, Facebook post. You can also want to create maybe Instagram posts, LinkedIn posts, Also, you may be wanting another, for example, like um, let's say like you want to be managing a Facebook page, or you want to be Twitter. So if you do on Twitter, so you need to create a Twitter posts. So as you see on this information, that will be also at the part where you would need to be working and you need to invest your skills and time doing on this. So if you want to be making money by this, you can come here to ChatGPT and it's going to be helping you so that you can write everything or generate any content you want and proceed with making your money on your also social media or on your platforms. Now what you need to do, you need to come here, for example, you say create, you can order this, create a social media, Facebook posts, maybe let me write, create a 300 words, Facebook posts about using internet. So as I create this now, you see I give another to this OpenAI so that it can create a me for me the Facebook post. If I click enter, and it is going to generate the content that I can be using to post there. So as you can see now, it is writing the post of 300 words. And after this, you can see it is going to be writing and writing. Once it is done, you can start also posting this word on your website, or maybe you can post this also on your social media if it is on Facebook, and you are going to be generating the niche based on this content it has already generated for you. By now, also I can go back. Let me give it another comment that can follow so to create. For example, I want to have a keyword related to scholarship. I can also tell it, for example, give me 10 keywords related to scholarship, and yes, and separate them with count. As I see, you see now, I give you know that to create up now this, and it will be separating it with comma. So as you see, it is started now. Financial aid, education, merit-based, needed-based. Now you can see warranty, awards, application, eligibility, funding, everything now it create. If you come here in your history, you can get the information here related to what it has already created. So as you can see, now you can be now making a keywords, making a post that can be being used to make money for you or to generate money for you. So using this now can help you to be generating income for you, and you can be using it anywhere you want. So suppose that also you want to create maybe a post of uh, 20, or maybe let me say 30 words. You can come here to this which one I created previously and edit it. Let me click here and go above. Now I edit this. I have yes, I created about now about chicken. If I click chickens, yes, now I click save. Yeah, chickens. It is going now to generate 30 words Facebook post about chickens, and you can see chickens are such fascinating creatures. Did you know that chickens can recognize over 100 different faces? So raising chickens can be funny. So you see now it is generating a post. Now you can be putting there, and you can be also using on your Facebook. Now, after posting this, you can generate also money from sharing the post you have generated here, and you can be uh, getting various audience from different parts, depending on the keywords you have generated using ChatGPT, or depending on the post you have written using ChatGPT, which is not able to be complex for you. For example, I have written this post and I want to paraphrase. Now I can also say it, rephrase, rephrase this words, they phrase it into paragraph form, and human, let's send human also uh, human generated content. Yes. Now, I want it to refer it to paragraph, and also it refers it to human generated content. Now you can see it is also rephrasing it. Now it is writing the sentences into the forms of paragraph, and also it is converting them into human generated content. As you can see, it is going to be providing the information which are different, and also it is going to be like whole post that I want to be also posting on my social media platforms, also posting on my Facebook, posting on my internet. And as you can see, it is write everything from the introduction to the conclusion. What you need to do, you need to consider evaluating the post to see if the post is really sure what you wanted to communicate, or if there's something missing. Because it is an artificial intelligence, you need to make sure you pay attention to every details and ensure that everything is going to be functioning well and is going to be helping you to achieve your target and what you want. So keep watching this video, like this video, subscribe to this channel Max TV, and if you have any question or suggestion, leave it in the comment section. Don't hesitate to contact us if you have also any thing or any wish you want, so that we can also make a video for you about the given option, about the given matter, about the given context that is related to technology as our party here. Thank you for watching this video.